Good afternoon friends, my name is Faisal Bagwala and today I have discussed about of introductions to accounting. My subject is introductions to accounting and I have taken in introductions to accounting is journal entry. First of all, we are know that what is accounting. So we are discuss about first accounting. What is accounting? The definitions of accounting is given here. American Institute of Certified Public Accountant, which defined accounting the art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner and in term of money, transactions and events, which are in part at least of financial character and interpreting the result thereof. Means nowadays what happened, each and every business transactions, whatever like proprietor, company, all are there. So they are using like accounting. Accounting is a main part. Accounting is a main department in each and every business, business companies and all that thing. So accounting is a art. Like they are purchasing. Like we are taken examples of like owner is a proprietor. Proprietor is known as a business owner. So he is purchasing materials, sales. He is processing his material and all that thing. So it is there is a transactions like they are paying, they are selling, they are purchasing, they are drawings like means they are taken money from his own business. It is known as a drawings. So it is known as a transactions. So in these transactions we are converted into journal entry. Now we are discuss for accounting process. This is accounting process in input, process, output. And this is the input like business transactions only monetary monetary value. Monetary value means like in the Indian rupees, like Indian rupees, dollar, all that thing is business inputs. There is no any like free cost or anything is not input in the accounting concepts. Like process, identifying, recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, interpreting, communicating, and then they are given the output. Like they are given the output is information to the users, like owner they are given the information to the user whether they are a profit or loss after financial year. Now next, accounting cycles. An accounting cycle is a complete sequence of accounting process that begin with the recording of business transactions and ends with the preparation of final accounts. Like you given a brief idea about of like these slides. First there is a transactions, now then is a journal entry. Means transactions, I tell you that they are purchasing, selling, given rent or all that things. So there is a transactions. These transactions are converted into journal entry. Now journal entry after is a ledger. Ledger is a one types of a particular each and individual accounts. It is known as a ledger. Then after trial balance, trading accounts, profit and loss, balance sheet. And in profit and loss or profit and loss, they know that how actually they are earning. And the balance sheet is so that the balance is it is a one types of a statement. They show that how they are positioned in the liquidity or asset position. So they are the accounting cycles. Now next, journal. What is journal? Journalizing refer to the act of recording each transactions. Now I already discussed that like business purchase transactions, sales transactions, paid rent. They are all known that there is a transactions. This transactions is converted into the journal. This is a specimen of journal like date, particular, ledger folio. LF means ledger folio, debit rupees, credit rupees. This is a specimen of journal entry. Now these are types of account, kinds of account like personal accounts. Example is personal capital account, bank account, Mohan account. It is known as a personal accounts. Real account means like that investment, goodwill, cash, machinery. It is income is a real account. Nominal means carriage inward, like so all expenses like in profit and loss, all expenses and incomes are come in nominal account. Carriage inward, sales account, wages paid, purchases, etc. is a nominal account. Now there is a rules of journal entry. First we are discuss about of rules. There is a personal account, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Means we are doing a one sums in the in next slide. So these are rules of accounting. Personal account, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Nominally means credit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Now this is the illustrations. Now we are going to calculate these illustrations. Now we are journalize the following transactions into the journal entry. Now first of all we are drawing the specimens of journal entry, Journal of Shankar and Company for the period of 1st June 14 to 13 June 14. We are draw the specimens. First is date, next is particular rupees, LF laser folio, debit rupees, credit rupees. Now we are started first transactions 2014 June 1st. Started business with cash, means they are started business with cash. So the cash is come in cash account, debit to capital account, credit. Now there is a narrations NA, it is known as a narrations. Mr. Shankar and Company started business with cash. Shankar and Company started business with cash. These are narrations written here, no laser folio number. Amount is 16,000. Both side debit and credit. Now we are going to the rules. Cash is a nominal account, so cash is comes in, so cash is debited, and capital is a personal account. So personal account means the owner Shankar and Company is the giver, so giver is under come is a credit side, so capital account is credit side. This is the first transactions of Shankar and Company. Now next transaction is Zone 2, deposited into bank. Now deposited into bank means what? Bank is the receiver, bank is a personal account, bank is a receiver, so bank account debit, bank account debit, and who is a giver? Means cash is goes out, so if the cash is goes out means credit. There is a rules of what goes out is credit, so cash account is credit. Narration is here written, deposited into bank, into bank account, 13,000 rupees. So these are second transactions of journal entry. Now there is the next transactions of journal entry we are discuss. Zone 4, 2014 June 4. The transactions is purchase goods from Kamal on credit. Now they are purchasing is what? It is a nominal account, means they are expenses, so purchase account is debit, purchase account debit to, here is a Kamal account because they are not given any cash, it is a purchasing in on credit, so Kamal account is a personal account, so means Kamal is a giver, so giver account is credit, Kamal account is credit, Kamal account. There is no ledger folio, and narration is come here, purchase goods on credit from Kamal. No ledger folio, dash, amount is rupees 10,000. So this is our third transactions. Now our next transactions is paid to Sriram. Now here you are already written down, so we are rub it out. So same, June 6, 2014, June 6. Now paid to Sriram means what? Cash is goes out. So cash is goes out means what? It is a credit, and we are paying to Sriram. Sriram is a receiver. So the personal account is receiver, so then Sriram account is debited. Sri Ram account debit, and goes out, cash is goes out, so it is a credit side, cash account. Now they are written a narrations, paid to Sri Ram, paid to Sri Ram. Now no laser folio here. Now amount is 5,000. Now we are also a bit okay. Now the next transaction is 2014 June 8. The transactions is cash sales, means sales we are it is our income, and cash is come in. So cash is come in means it is a real account. So what comes in? Cash. So it is a debited, cash account debited to sales account. Sales is our income, to sales account. Narration is written cash sales, or you can write it down goods sold on cash. No laser folio here, so no, there is a dash, and amount is 20,000. Okay, the next transaction is June 12, sold to Hamid. There is no written any cash sales. They are selling like on a credit. So June 12, same June 12, 2014, June 12. So they are selling Hamid. Hamid is a personal account. Hamid is a receiver. So in personal account, receiver is debited. So Hamid account is debited to sales account. It is our income, so sales account is credited. Narrations is written goods sold on credit to Hamid. Goods sold on credit to Hamid. So there are no laser folio here also. So now the amount is 5,000. Now the next transaction is June 15, 2014, June 15. The transactions is purchase goods from Bharat on credit. Same transactions now we are already discussed to Kamal also. Now same transactions, purchase goods from credit, Bharat on credit. So here is a purchase accounts, purchase account debit to Bharat account. Narrations is here written purchase goods on credit from Bharat. No laser folio here also. Amount is 7,500. So now there is a VR also. Move on the next transactions. Next transactions we are discuss. First we are a bit. Now next transactions is June 18. Paid salary. Salary he is a paid. Salary is our expenses. Salary is our expense. So expense account, you know that nominal account. So in nominal account all expenses are debit. So here is a June 18 salary account debit. Now cash is goes out. Cash is a real account, and cash is goes out, it means credit to cash account. Narrations is written here. Salary paid to the employer or worker. No laser folio is also here. Now amount is 4,000 rupees. Now we are going to the next transactions. June 20, cash received from Prem. June 20. Now cash receive means that cash is comes out, means what comes out? Cash. So it is a real account. So in real account cash is come 20, cash account debit to Prem account, because they are a giver. Prem is a personal account. So Prem is a giver, Prem account credit. Narrations is written here. They are paying, so cash received from Prem. Cash received from Prem. There is a no ledger folio, same here also. The amount is 2,500. Now next transactions is June 28, withdraw for personal use. Withdraw is a one types of a business transactions. The owner or proprietor, they are taken money from business. So it is known as a drawing account. Drawing is a personal account. So the person is the owner is taken into the business. So here is the next transaction, June 28, drawings account. Withdraw means drawings. So here given the accounting name is drawings account debit. Now cash is goes out, so cash account credit. Now narrations is written here. They are taken money, so withdraw cash from business. Withdraw cash from business. There is also no ledger folio number. Amount is given 1,000. Now there is the last transactions of our June 13.